Red and yellow falling leaves are not only beautiful to look at during the fall, but they are also key players in the river ecosystem. Have you ever wondered what the falling leaves can do to us? Probably not. We tend to underestimate how leaf litters can affect us.
There is a leaf goes into water, small bug or small larvae eats the leaf, then bigger bug eats the larvae, and then the fish eats the bug. If you take away or if you completely change the first step of it, it will at some point reflect to the fish.
Since we consume fish from the rivers, the change in leaf litter is capable of influencing us, which could be caused by invasive species. Not only that, the quality of the water which we drink and many organisms live in can be changed dramatically by the leaf litter.
People we don't like much of algae in water because it's like green and mushy. It impairs water chemistry, and the water is kind of stinky and things like that. And again, if you take away something which eats the actual algae and keeps it under some sort of threshold, if you take away those organisms because you changed something else, because you changed the food source, it's not there, so the organism die out, nothing eats the algae, you end up with impairments of water quality.
The leaf litter also serves other roles for many organisms living in the river systems.
Because many organisms also use litter from the riparian areas just as a habitat.
Many insects and small animals use the leaf litter as a shelter to survive the harsh conditions during the winter.
I think the third aspect is also the leaf litter often, if it's not eaten, like physically eaten by a bug or insect, it leaches carbon just by water going through the leaf. It leaches carbon, and carbon is very important subsidy in the entire stream ecosystem for many other organisms.
We may think that the leaf litter and the riverbank ecosystem have nothing to do with us. However, we are actually affected as the falling leaves serve as a food source, habitat, and provide subsidies for organisms. Furthermore, all the systems are related, so any changes to one of them can actually result in a huge consequence.